तो हाय एवरीवन, आज है 28 तारीख, सोमवार का दिन। मार्केट ओपन हो चुका है। देखो, पहले तो नेगेटिविटी थी इसमें। बात करो उधर बैंक निफ्टी की, तो पहले नेगेटिविटी वहां पर थोड़ी दिखाई थी मार्केट ने। उसके बाद निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी, निफ्टी एंड बात करें सेंसेक्स की, तो दोनों पॉजिटिव थे थोड़ा। तो दैट्स व्हाई लेट मी ऐड द ऑप्शंस हियर। थोड़ा सा ओटीएम लगाने की कोशिश करूंगा, दैट्स व्हाई, क्योंकि प्रीमियम थोड़े से ऑलरेडी बढ़े हुए हैं। This is just to ensure why I'm logging into the Fires portal. हाँ, क्या सपोर्ट लिया है मार्केट ने? देर इज नो एज सच सपोर्ट। 24,050 का सपोर्ट लिया है। बात करें अगर सेंसेक्स की, तो पहले 400 का ब्रेकडाउन दिखाते, उसके बाद 500 का भी ब्रेकआउट कर चुका है सेंसेक्स। बैंक निफ्टी भी गैप डाउन ओपनिंग के साथ 200 पॉइंट का मोमेंटम ऑलरेडी दिखा चुका है इन द फर्स्ट इनिशियल कैंडल। फर्स्ट कैंडल में तो एंट्री नहीं करेंगे डेफिनेटली। तो कॉल ऑप्शन के प्राइसेस ऑलरेडी थोड़े से बढ़ चुके हैं। विल लुक, इतना बुलिश बिहेवियर मार्केट ने दिखाया है यहाँ पर फर्स्ट खुलते ही कैंडल के साथ। थोड़ा सा अनडाइजेस्टेबल लग रहा है, बट विल लुक। ऑप्शंस का चार्ट देखने के लिए लेट मी ऐड द। तो विक्स 17 के आसपास है, तो यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी तो वॉलेटिलिटी रह सकती है मार्केट में। उसमें अच्छा, कॉल ऑप्शन में क्लोजिंग प्राइस का ब्रेकडाउन दिखाने को कहा है। तो लिक्विडिटी कहाँ पर मिलेगी? यहाँ पर लिक्विडिटी में भी व्हाट आई कैन सी हियर इज पुट ऑप्शन में थोड़ी सी यहाँ पर जगह बची है। कॉल ऑप्शन हैज ऑल्सो जितना बड़ा था उतना घट चुका है। स्क्रीन इज नॉट लोडिंग इन। कॉल ऑप्शन देखो, ये वाला जितना बढ़ा था उतना ही घट चुका है वो। ऑप्शन इसमें लोकेट तो बैंक निफ्टी। बैंक निफ्टी में 55,000 का एक पॉइंट तो है। और फर्स्ट खुलते ही साथ जो मार्केट ने सपोर्ट यहाँ पर दिखाया है, पीवट ऑल्सो, पीवट के ऊपर एकदम सपोर्ट ले रहा है मार्केट। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आज के दिन थोड़ा सा पुलिस साइड का व्यू रहेगा, बट आई नीड टू लुक एट दिस ऑल्सो कि नो ट्रेडिंग इज ऑल्सो ट्रेडिंग। ठीक है, तो अगर ट्रेड नहीं मिलता तो डेफिनेटली एंटरिंग फोर्सफुली इज नॉट अ गुड ऑप्शन, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो एक लास्ट स्विंग बना था उसको मार्केट ने ब्रेकआउट कर दिया है ऑलरेडी। एंड बुलिश बिहेवियर्स के साथ तीनों ही इंडेक्स में अच्छे राउंड नंबर का ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है। एक चीज ये समझो, प्रीवियस वीक में भी जो यहाँ पर बुलिश बिहेवियर दिखाया था मार्केट पे, रेड कैंडल के साथ कंटिन्यूशन रेड फॉलिंग साइड में दिखा दिया है। एक ट्रेंड लाइन काइंड ऑफ बना था, उसके ऊपर ही मार्केट सपोर्ट ले रहा है। इसका मतलब पीपल वुड बी थिंकिंग दैट कि ट्रेंड लाइन का ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है। बैंक निफ्टी नो डाउट बाइंग साइड जा रहा है। फिर इसमें एक बार देखें तो कॉल ऑप्शन में उतना ज्यादा तो स्ट्रेंथ है नहीं। उसमें भी जो मेजर लिक्विडिटी एरिया है वो दूर है। बट एक चीज ये समझो कि प्रीवियस डे का चार्ट तो एज सच रिपीट नहीं होगा ना। चलो यहाँ पर ये प्लान करते हैं। व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट, देखो अगर डे लो का ब्रेकडाउन होता है यहाँ पर कॉल ऑप्शन में, देन वी विल प्लान फॉर अ बाइंग साइड ट्रेड ओनली, बिकॉज देखो प्रीवियस डे का चार्ट रिपीट नहीं हो सकता, प्रीवियस डे के हिसाब से ही आज के दिन चार्ट बना है। देन तो पुट में थोड़ी सी जगह बची है मार्केट, तो ये अगर ऐसे ही निकल जाएगा देन इट विल बी इशू बोल दो। लेट्स हैव द पोजीशन, नाउ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं। इफ आई एम गेटिंग द प्राइस ऑफ, आ तो रहा है नीचे, इज अ गुड थिंग। नो डाउट पुट में थोड़ी सी रिजेक्शन बनी है एज ऑफ नाउ, लेकिन कॉल का स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो बरकरार है। आई एम हैविंग द पोजीशन कॉल ऑप्शन ओनली। When you have the stop loss, after that I will explain you the logic behind this trade. Okay. There is one thing possible here. After the low breakdown, momentum could happen. We just entered a little bit earlier. That's why maybe the suggestion that we have to face right now. If you look at the put options also, the prices are not as much increasing as the. No doubt there is a strength in calls. If you look at the previous day chart, similar kind of chart happened in previous day also. Previous day what happened after a major volume wala bullish candle, market has shown negativity completely because it has done a breakout of major round number which is 80,000. Similar kind of chart is trying to get repeated here. There is no as such volume in anything. And if you look at the regression also, upper side, there is definitely rejection from input options. Let's see if most probably the day low breakdown happens here because it has taken the support of closing price. Once the day low breakdown happens, possibly momentum could happen. Also, you can, if you look the random sellers here who are looking to sell based on the previous day basis, they are also getting trapped because if you look, this is the total candle here. A clear cut breakout happened in the trend line also. So almost 60% retracement happened of the entire buying side move. So people would be definitely not thinking about buying this time. There's a continuation kind of pattern forming here because this is the inside candle and breakdown of inside candle is happening right now. But if that happens, then probably the call option might catch the moment. Need to look. Bank Nifty has also done a good momentum in continuation. It has taken resistance there. From previous day high only, Nifty has taken resistance, and same goes with Sensex also. Similar continuation kind of pattern market has made here. There is no access volume just to indicate that yes, this move is sustainable. This is the continuation pattern. Only one thing that is giving me direction right now is the continuation pattern of put option. There is a clear difference between the spot and the put. Spot as going upside and the continuation pattern is being made on the upside only. But if you look at the put option, the continuation candle is made in the downside. Also, there is no as such trend visible in the call option also. What it has done gives me indication of sideways movement. Probably if liquidity hunting happens in both of the put options, then most chances are there for the downside movement. This may as such no clear indication. Really, it has taken support in the previous closing price. And if you most likely it is okay. So Bank Nifty is doing good, which means Bank Nifty, if you look at this, Bank Nifty has breakout, done a breakout, done a good breakout of the US trend line. And because it has done the breakout in continuation, chances would be there because I have placed these 2 points from which it can take reversal if it has to. This is one of the points. If one candle sustains above that, possibly a selling side move I will be looking forward to. and it is not likely, looking at the premiums, I can say that it is not likely that market will move in each of the directions with good volumes. This is the indication of a typical sideways market. Let the market go. Because Bank Nifty had done a major breakout of around number. There is 200. You look at the candle closing also. 2 minutes left for the candle closing. If you wait the candle closing, then it will be better to know that this move is sustainable or not. Candle and the volumes are very into the side of saying that people, yes, we are into the buying side and we are going in that way only. Also, the Bank Nifty has close to little bit of breakout happened in Bank Nifty of the round number and saying about 55,200. This move has come with good volumes only. This looks so sustainable. I'm telling about the call side move. This looks so sustainable that people would be never thinking about selling it at this point. Each and every index is going higher. But we need to look at this also. Everything is looking very fine, right? The trend line breakout happened. Market is sustaining above the trend line, and also 200 is very close. And if we look at Bank Nifty and Sensex, they both have shown major round number breakout here, and with a good volume on this. Candle is of 32 points. It's very unlikely that market will go with this type of candle because it has taken a huge volume along with this. Before, if you think 24 100 continuation is clearly visible in all of the premiums. concerning part here becomes this. Although market has done volume breakout, possibly the momentum could not sustain as it is from here. And the same with the spot also. But it is going. Sure that customer the momentum seems like there is a clear cut rejection from spot also. Waiting for looking at that market will one thing coming a little bit clear to me. There is a can need downside very promising costly that much part of this will not give chance for buyers to come because it has exactly from very idea with this ATM at this kind of rejection it is right now. Because 1 minute left for the candle close. Continue last one. Then only promising this call particular. Otherwise, the continuation market is not the continuation of it will not go. It is not as fast as it should be for the sell side. It has we most probably what would happen that it is showing PNL in I have to exit wide amount. This is the I have features similar to buyers and buy and start itself. I think it shouldn't have done because यहाँ पर अगर ये फीचर भी अब ये फीचर करने लग जाए bad for time frame. The heartbeat just the heart percent get this get the heart option that you get you know, very critical. As there is no other chance of the DPM. The last question. Why was really it is price that handle like handle this में आटा गिला तो that is like that would be the case. One of the I would but buying side is just probably in the last 1 to 2 hours of the right. Accept the that is there's no this premium expect gains. I should be looking at this. Just take it. What I am saying. Remember what I have told previous session. As it has given a closing of 160 or 1450, this seems complete bullshit. Because if you candle and if you are planning for buying for long term, well, that's the why I have exited right here only at the close. Because kind of pattern it is right here, and this has a good volume. But probably think that right. Market has that tech mind has already created a. After that, it is showing it on a continue. That's why I have it's not for long, not become, but coming. Why I should wait if I am getting the required amount or time period. Only the call option. No doubt there is a sideways kind. What would be the best? Maybe I shouldn't have thought about this because first of all, it has opened and it has shown negativity. People definitely trying to shop will not get to know. Second thing, after at the bullish, if the continue red candle is showing downside movie, then that the low and at somewhere close to entry. I have already I have going breakouts all three candles. I should keep what happened. It इतना चला गया और कितना trying to sell the higher point wherever they get the red candle. I am aligning with that kind of psychology. Not so there are three first of all calculate bit of first. This should not be the probably entering instead of entering into this going for because of the fact that I am aligned with the what's buying side only. If that is the case, then I'm waiting for some confirmation just to go for buy side, right? No worries. Yes, there should be a thought about this. Once I have missed here, I am planning to catch you. Possibly market will go, but will go being sideways or not. That is the sideways. Okay, I will not get the money. I have we need fast moment. Otherwise, we are not going to get money. And also the liquidity and call option. So the call option has made the moment as per plan, but we are not there. Fairly, fairly good thing because I have doubt about having doubt and sitting in a happened 1 minute. Let's see, I will update you. The market has closed right now, and let me quickly share with you 2 to 3 mistakes of today. First is if you go into the terminal of orders, you can see that first order is punched on 920 and which has taken the SL on 923. Let me quickly share with you the 922 is the timing of the buy, and if you look at the candle also. This is the initial punch of candle which allowed me or which generated a curiosity on me or which instincted me to buy. Okay. That is the first mistake. What is the mistake here? If you look at this uh, in 5 minutes, you can clearly see that. Where is the so you can clearly see that in 5 minutes. First candle is green, which instructed the people to buy into the market. After gap up, the people would be shorting quickly on this candle. If I would have watched the candlestick rather going for fall, for the liquidity and stuff. The liquidity concept is good, but you need to understand that where the market is and what is the trend of the market. If you go against the trend, then you will face trouble like me today. The first thing, what happens when the market got liquidity on the higher side because of this red candle. I'm waiting for the volumes, but one thing that I missed here is first candle has generally high volumes. So after that, the second candles and after the following candles, they would not be getting that much of volume, no matter how strong the move will be. The first mistake was I took the position right here only. I did not wait for the candle closing and got into the trade in the middle of the position. If I show you the premium also, premium is of 250. You look at the 250 call. This is the 250 call, and my entry is somewhere close to right here. This is the this is where my entry is. If I shift it to 1 minute, clearly see. This is the 1 minute chart. You can clearly see that. Where is my entry? The entry price is somewhere close to on this candle. Because I haven't waited for the look, my plan is to enter on day low, right? So day low did not came. When the market is moving like the candle opening this market has shown bullishness till this. So who will think that? Who will not think that? Tell me that who will not think that this is going to be the move on upside from here only. So that's why the mistake came, right? From the rejection candle itself, I forgot to watch this rejection candle because it has been a rejection candle, and the possibility would be people would be placing stop loss there. I need to look at that also. But no matter. I have not seen the 5 minutes, 1 minute chart because I was looking to 5 minutes. So in the 5 minute itself, and the opening was there, market is showing bullishness. I entered. So that's where the problem is. I entered at the first initial move only. And after that, the market has taken my stop loss clearly. If I would have placed a little bit of lower stop loss, then probably I would have got uh, great targets. But no worries, market proved me wrong. After that, the second order, if you look at the second order, it is 150 PE. So why I have entered into this position is because of the concept of volume and the rejections. If you look at this, although this wasn't a good trade on 940, right? No, 940 itself, market has shown the breakout. After that, with good volumes only, so people would be clearly watching the levels like 2400. What is the level like? Or 24,000 breakout, and in 70, I think 70. So no, in Sensex the level was 76. Oh, sorry, 80,000, which is a crucial long level. After that breakout, market has shown the bullish candle. I was planning to capture this move only, to capture that, but I don't know why the instinct came just to see the so in the both in these both positions we have captured somewhere close to good amount or in break even we need to close the position. But this mistake, why it happened is if this is the call of 300. If you look at the 300 call, already the momentum had happened, and I missed a little bit of momentum because of the reason that if I would be waiting, although in the previous two positions my SLs were there, or my PNL is not up to the mark. That's why my mind got stuck in this. And after that, any position that I might be taking is going to be loss only because my mind is clearly unstable that time. I entered here. If I would be placing this at least just 10 points of top loss also, I'd be clearly winning into the market. But unfortunately, because of the fluctuation and all, I need to first time I entered because of lack of confidence I exited. Second time I entered because of lack of confidence I exited. Just because that I cannot see the M2M loss after getting into break even, right? So if you look at after first two positions, my position is into break even. So after looking at break even, no one will want to close in it. So I don't know why, because something instinct or I can say anything that could be, but here because of unstable mind, if you look at the premium also, my entry is at first entry is at 85. So if I show you what, and the second entry is at 81. So in this, let me put a line here just to show you my entries. First entry is at 85. Right? I place a horizontal line here, and second entry is at 81. You can clearly see that first entry was due to the intuition, somewhere close to right here, because this candle has a good volume and rejection on top of that. That's why I have entered into this candle. At least my stop loss should be this, which is 81 or 85, no matter what it would be. But close to this low, which it has made, I think, somewhere close to 71. Low it has made is 71. If I would be placing a good and decent stop loss of 15 to 20 points also, then I probably would be being saved in the market. But no, I did not. So, I did not done that, and unfortunately, for that reason only, I have moved the entire move. I missed the entire move. If you look at this, after my exit due to the fluctuative stop loss, premium has gone till 68. So this is the build that market will give you anyway. So I have learned something. Let me quickly share with you the learnings. First, have a view. Don't change the view. till the point that your stop loss it doesn't get hit. If the stop loss get hits, change the view, but don't go into another position just to buy into the revenge mode that I will get recovered the all position and I got to know the market. So this is something should not be done. And this is the losing PNL and this is the contract now, which is making me a bit hard because this should not be more than 80 rupees any cost. So I will take care of that and will learn from this mistake. This is what today's market looks like. Complete bullish market. Reliance has completed this kind of move. So if you look at Tech Mahindra also, Tech Mahindra is again came to the level of our buying. So this will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching.